So let's learn some basic concepts related to trigonometry. So first, in trigonometry, in basic trigonometry we make use of right angles. So let's take a right angle first. So I'm directly checking. I hope you might know what is meant by a right angle triangle. See, in a right angle triangle, there is an angle whose measure, one of the angles measure is 90 degrees, um, and the side opposite to the angle, that is this angle, this is 90 degrees. 90 degrees sign is shown by this square like this. So the side opposite to 90 degrees is known as the hypotenuse or hypotenuse. So let's label it as a it's a basic rule in geometry, not a concept. You label any shape, any size, any figure, any triangle, etc. So trigonometry. So we are going to learn trigonometry. Trigo. Wait. Trigonometry. So we are going to learn about trigonometry. That is from the word trigonometry. We can see something related to three. That is three sides, three angles that makes a triangle. So trigonometry is related to triangles. Since this words tree is there, or it will be quadronometry if it was relating to square, or pentamonetry. but it doesn't exist. So for today we have, or till yet we have trigonometries only. So now trigonometry has some basic formulas. You might have seen those in the basic calculators that your mobiles, your smartphones have. So these formulas are sin, cos. I will use different color for each. Cos and sin, cos and tan. So these are three basic, you can say these are three basic formulas, or these are three basic ratios. Actually ratios is a more appropriate word for this. So these are three ratios that are, these are three basic ratios that are used in trigonometry. So now let's see what is meant by sin, what is meant by cos, and what is meant by tan. So if this angle is my theta angle, it's an any angle, if it's theta, then sin theta or sine theta, it's sine only, sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. Now opposite, now you will say opposite, you will say, hey, you only told us that opposite to right angle is the hypotenuse, but now we are talking about sine theta. So sine theta is opposite, so this the length opposite to theta we have to talk about, which is length AB. So opposite, which is AB, we'll use some same colors for your understanding. So I think this is my, no, this is also not the same color, sorry. This is, so AB upon hypotenuse, opposite upon hypotenuse. Now hypotenuse in this triangle ABC, the hypotenuse is C, so opposite upon hypotenuse, opposite upon hypo, that is hypotenuse. So we have the value of sin as opposite upon hypotenuse, sin theta. If we are talking about sin theta now, if we are talking about this angle, if this was my x angle, if this is my x angle, then you can guess what will be sine. It will be, yes, BC upon AC. That is now because it has got opposite angle as, sorry, opposite side as length BC. So far but we are talking only about theta, so no need to take x. Now let's see what is meant by cos theta. So cos theta is adjacent ADJ, adjacent upon hypotenuse. So we have cos theta as adjacent upon hypotenuse. Now you can pause the video and check what will be adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent upon hypotenuse will be length BC, as this is adjacent upon hypotenuse, which is AC, and we will have it as, which will be equal to BC upon AC. Now you may have a doubt, or a doubt might have arose in your mind, that why did I take only adjacent side as length BC and not why AC? Because AC stands as hypotenuse, so mostly hypotenuse is not taken as an adjacent side, but in some cases yes, it's taken as a adjacent side. So for as this we are talking about basics. So cos theta, the adjacent of the cos theta, theta will be only BC, though AC also is the cos adjacent. Now now let's talk about tan theta. So the ratio of tan theta is adjacent upon opposite, sorry, opposite upon adjacent, opposite upon adjacent. ADJ again standing for adjacent. So this is J. It's not R. So this is ADJ adjacent upon it, and we have tan as opposite upon adjacent. So now you might have guessed what will be opposite upon adjacent. Yes, it will be AB upon adjacent of theta, which is equal to BC. So to AB, oops, it's a super worst handwriting. So AB upon adjacent, as adjacent we have BC. So these are the basic trigonometric ratios. I'm highlighting, or I'm putting a stress on the word basic, because these there are many more ratios like cosec, sec, and cot, etc. But as we are talking about basics only, these are the three basics: sine, remember opposite upon hypotenuse; cos, remember adjacent upon hypotenuse; and tan, opposite upon adjacent. So I hope you enjoy that.